In the name of Allah, I'm going to deliver social studies lecture for class 7th. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You know, dear, that it is the book of our environment of social studies subject, and we were reading fourth chapter, that was air. We have done it as first question, and today I am going to do it as second question, that is tick the correct answer. I will write here only the answer. The question, second question is first part, that is which of the following gases protect us from the harmful sun rays. Fourth options are given here, three options. Number first answer carbon dioxide, number B nitrogen, number C ozone. Which of the following gases protect us from the harmful sun rays? And the answer of this is question number second is first part, answer is C, that is ozone. Ozone protects us from the harmful sun rays, or ozone. I have written here ozone. Ozone is the answer of this first part of question number second. And now the second part, that is the most important layer of the atmosphere is, three options are given. Troposphere, most important layer of atmosphere is troposphere, thermosphere, mesosphere. So I will write here the answer. Answer of this part is part A, that is troposphere. Why is troposphere important layer? I have already discussed with you it, because it possesses all the gases. Troposphere is important because it possesses all the gases. We need oxygen already present in this layer, and all climatic changes that prevails on the earth also prevails in this layer, troposphere. So it is important for us, important layer for us. Number third part, that is which of the following layers of the atmosphere is free from clouds. Three options are given. Part 3, which of the following layers of the atmosphere is free from clouds? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. And answer of this is stratosphere is free from clouds. Stratosphere layer, STRATO, stratosphere is free from clouds. It is second layer, troposphere, stratosphere. Stratosphere, it starts from 13 kilometer to 50 kilometer. It is free from clouds. And number fourth part of this question, that is fourth part, as we go up the layer of the atmosphere, when we go from troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, when we go up the layers of the atmosphere, the pressure increases, decreases, or remains the same. And so the answer of this part is decreases. When we go up, automatically the air pressure, it decreases. And fifth part, when precipitation comes down to the earth in the liquid form, and so that is rain. B part is answer of this question, of this part. Now number third, match the followings on A's side. Match the followings. A, number first is here given, trade windows. What are trade windows? Trade windows are permanent windows. E, permanent windows. Trade windows are permanent windows. Number second, loo Low is a local wind. Low is a local wind. Number 3, monsoon. Monsoon is a seasonal wind. Monsoon is a seasonal wind. And number 4, wind. Wind, horizontal movement of air. Horizontal movement of air. Now I will rub this board and write the 4th. Give reasons. 4th question, give reasons. Number 1, I will write here only reason. Wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. Why? Because on humidity, because of humidity, because of high humidity. On humidity days, the air is full of vapors. On humid days, the air is full of vapors. Air is full of vapors, so air haven't any capacity to absorb more and more drops of the from the clothes. So air haven't any capacity to absorb more and more drops. So it is not able to absorb or the drops from the cloth. Now second is amount of insulation decreases from equator towards poles because sun rays fall directly on equator. Because sun rays falls directly on equator and slanting on poles. So this is the reason that insolation is high at equator and low at poles. So we have completed this 4th question. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do this for fun. I will give you more information about this chapter tomorrow. It is enough for today. Goodbye. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.